Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create circular objects in GrabVR. Many players want to build smooth, rounded shapes, and it's simpler than you might think. We'll cover the fundamental steps to transform basic blocks into impressive circles, adding a new dimension to your in-game constructions. Get ready to elevate your building skills with these easy-to-follow instructions. To start, choose any block type, like a wood or stone block. Place your first block, then use the copy function to duplicate it. Carefully position this second block adjacent to the first, creating a small gap or overlap depending on your desired circle thickness. Repeat this process, laying down several blocks to establish the initial curve of your circular shape. Now for the crucial step. Select a group of your placed blocks. Use the rotation tool to turn them by a small, consistent amount, perhaps 5 or 10 degrees. After rotating, clone the newly positioned blocks and repeat the rotation. This iterative process of cloning and rotating will gradually form a smooth, continuous curve, eventually completing your perfect circle. For truly perfect circles, consider adjusting your rotation snap settings to a smaller increment, like 1 degree, for maximum precision. You can also experiment with various block sizes to create circles of different diameters, from small rings to large structures. Remember, practice makes perfect, and combining these techniques allows for incredibly detailed and complex circular builds in GrabVR.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.